Hi all, this is MathDOC. In this session, we'll discuss about few exercises that deals with nature of the roots by discriminant. Consider ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It is quadratic equation, general equation. Then the nature of the roots depend with discriminant. We call discriminant. Then delta mean b square minus 4ac. When delta greater than 0, we say roots real and distinct. When delta equals 0, roots real and coincident. When delta less than 0, roots are not real. When delta greater than or equals 0, here these two, for these two cases, roots real, then roots real. Therefore, nature of the roots depend with the sign of delta. As an example, consider the equation x squared minus 7x plus 9 equals 0. Then extract delta b squared minus 4ac. Simplify 49, 36, 13. It is positive value greater than 0. If delta positive, roots real and distinct. Therefore, roots real and distinct. Let's get another one. X squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. Extract delta b square minus 4ac. 16 plus 4, 20. That also greater than 0. Therefore, roots real and distinct. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac. B mean x coefficient, a mean x square coefficient, c mean constant. Let's do another example. Two x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now extract delta b square minus 4ac. 25, 24. This one greater than 0. Roots real and distinct. Example 4. 4x squared minus 12x plus 11 equals 0. Extract delta b square minus 4ac. 144, 16 into 11, 16 into 11, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 7, 1, 176. Then 144 minus 176 less than 0. Roots are not real. Question number 5. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. The extract delta b squared minus 4ac. 16 minus 16, 0. When delta 0, roots real and coincident. Let's do another example. Example 6. 2x squared minus 9x plus 6 equals 0. Extract delta. B square minus 4ac 81. 4 into 2 into 6 48. It is positive value, no need to simplify, positive value. Therefore roots real and distinct. Question number 7. X square minus 5x plus 10 equals 0. Extract delta. B square minus 4ac 25 minus 40 less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Question number 8. X squared minus 2ax plus a squared equals 0. Extract delta. B square minus 4ac. Then 4a squared minus 4a square, it is 0. Therefore roots are real and coincident. Example 9. 2x plus 1 squared equal 3x minus 1. Here in this step, you need to create quadratic equation general format. Expand this bracket. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 binomial expansion equal 3x minus 1. 2x plus 1 squared, 2x squared plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 squared. Then 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. That's how we expand this. Now take all terms into one side. 4x squared plus x minus plus 2 0. Now extract delta. B square minus 4ac, that is less than 0. Roots are not real. 10th one. 2 plus x squared equal 3x minus 1 squared. Here expand this. 2 squared plus 2 into 2 into x plus x square binomial. 3x squared plus minus 2 into 3x into 1 plus 1 squared. 4x x square 9x squared 6x plus 1. Take all terms into one side. 8x squared minus 10x minus 3 0. Now delta. B square minus 4ac 196 greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and distinct. Here distinct means two different values. Coincident means two equal values. Thank you for watching us, MathDOC.